Hello mga ka-trending! Welcome back to ZK Trend. Wow, Belle inilabas ang kanyang new business na tali. CEO Belle is waving. Usap-usapan na ang ipinost ni Belle Mariano at kapatid niyang si Daniela sa Instagram account ito patungkol ba sa tila isang business na may brand na tali. Sunod-sunod nag-post ang dalawa patungkol sa tali. Ayun dito, about tali, tali started as something small between sisters, borrowing lip tints, swapping makeup, and taking selfies together. But it became something bigger. We realized that makeup isn't just about how you look, it's about how you show up as yourself. Ayun pa dito, tali is our love letter to that feeling, to the sister who hypes you up before you go out, to the friend who tells you you are beautiful barefaced, to the version of you that's still finding her light. We made tali for every kind of you, loud or quiet, soft or strong, glossy or matte. Because tali isn't about fitting in, it's about being totally you. With love, Belle and Daniela. At ayon pa nga kay Daniela, ay sobrang excited dumano silang dalawa ng kanyang ate Belle. Ayon dito, we were so excited to show you what we were up to that we couldn't help but give you a sneak peek. Considering this your first look at what's coming. The full reveal drops November 9, 2025. New business na naman ito ni Belle at this time CEO na umano si Belinda. Maraming sobrang proud at kaagad kinongratulate ang Mariano siblings ng dahil dito. At maging si Papa P ay talaga namang grabe rin ang pagsuporta dito kay Belinda at ipinost pa nga ang naturang video about tali sa kanyang Instagram account.
Tali.
Tali.
Tali. Tali. Tali. Tali.
Tali.
Then I'll get back up trying